and gentlemen, bride's gonna come. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, give it to all of them. Let's welcome Divya!
Under the starlight, we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful.
It's something really special. I don't know what or why. It's really got me going. It makes me feel alright. Baby, baby, we could get lucky tonight. We can sneak it out.
Everybody, we can make some more noise. Come on! Hey, 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 hey! Everybody, come on! All the pretty ladies on the floor!
जगमगाती लड़कियां, झिलमिलाती लड़कियां, जिनके दीवाने तुम गीतों हो। हंसती गाती लड़कियां, खिलखिलाती लड़कियां, चाहती सब क्या है ये सुनो। इन सब के मन में क्या, इनकी धड़कन में क्या, सुनो जरा सपने क्या है, इन आँखों में दिल में है क्या अरमान। Girls like to swing. जरा आगे निकल के, नए रंगों में ढल के, अंदाज़ बदल के, मस्ती में है जीना, जीवन रस पीना, ये बात हुई ना, ये शर्माना नहीं ना। Swing,
All right, everybody, make some noise! Everybody, come on, let's do this together. Put your hands up. Let's say this together.
On your knees, on your knees.
There you go. Thank you, Raghav. Raghav's like, I've done this so many times. How many times? Okay, how many of you are single here? Put your hands up for me. You're going to catch this, all right, guys? Make sure you catch this one for good luck for your wedding. The noise can be better. Come on, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go!
We met at Arav and Aparna's the first gala dinner, and then he came up to me and he's like, "You're Divya, right?" And I was like, "You're Raghav, right?" That is all the conversation we had. And I found him really cute that time. And then I read his biodata and I was like, it just clicked as soon as I saw it. And then
we spoke a couple of times in the middle, and then yeah, this happened.
Kindly get your drinks. We're going to welcome the couple now. Do you have your phones with you? Can you switch on the torchlight for me? Let's get your phones on. Flashlights on. Come on, let's join. Everybody, put on your phones. Great. Are we ready?
And it's there when I look in your eyes. Love is in the air, in the whisper of the tree. Love is in the air, in the thunder of the sea.
Let's say this. Come on, make some noise.
And I don't know if I'm just dreaming, don't know if I feel safe, but it's something that I must believe in, and it's there when you call out my name.
What sheepscotch? ये तो पहले ही हार जाएंगे यार, पहले ही हार जाएंगे. There's no cheap scotch. Come on, let's do this again. Shivas.
Right for you.
Ibiki? Yeah, isn't it a gin? Isn't it a gin? It's okay. We'll leave it to them. It's fine. Your team is really killing it, bro. Come on. They said Glen Village, now it's Glen Level. Yamazaki? Kawasaki, Yamasaki.
Yamazaki is a whiskey.
Tell me. I think we're good. You guys want this? Come on.
Love is in the air. Love is in the air.
We have something very amazing that's going to come up on the stage. You know what's happening? So we're going to start the party right here, all right? People from Divya side, make some noise. Hola, love the whole game. Hola, love the whole game.
I'm a fireball.
I saw, I came, I conquered, or should I say I saw, I conquered, I came. This little chico on fire, he no lie. Well, y'all slipping, he's running the game. Now, big bang boogie, get that kitty little noogie in a nice, nice little shave. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty, and she turned around and said, "Walk this way."
I was born in a plane. Mama said that every word was on my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
Fireball.
Sticks and stones may break my bones, but I don't care what y'all say. Cause as the world turns, y'all boys gon' learn that the chico right here don't play. That boy's from the bottom, bottom on the map, MIA USA. I gave Susie a little pat up on the booty, and she turned around and said, "Walk this way." I tell her, baby, I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, I'm a
Fireball.
I was there in their first interaction, so we were like just chilling after in one of the after parties in the party room, and that is when Raghav and I both saw Divya for the first time. It so happened that it was a meet that time, and then it was off. So and then the families got involved with the traditional biodata process, and things worked out.
Sunlight fell, it reminded me that life can be so gracious sometimes. And I felt like everything around me was connected somehow. At night I hear the rhythm of the ocean as it breaks on the shore. And I think about all the things that I am grateful for. And they say, hold on to the ones you love, keep them close to you. And they say, hold on to this time we have, and let the light shine through.
When I saw his biodata, I recollected the time we had met at the wedding, and I remember very clearly while leaving, I was sitting in the car and I was looking front, And then for some reason I just like turned and he was right there and he's like, bye. And I'm like, bye. And then I was like, weird. And then I sat in the car and I was thinking about it, like, what was that, a wave?
तू मिल जाए मुझको ये मैंने दुआएं की, हर लम्हा ये दिल ने ही तुझसे वफाएं की, साथ छूटे ना ये इरादा है, जो भी है अपना आधा आधा है, ऐसा लगता क्यों तुझ में ही धड़कता दिल मेरा, मैं तो बस तेरा हूँ, मैं तो बस तेरा हूँ, मैं तो बस तेरा, मैं तेरा हुआ, थोड़ा खुद से ज्यादा किया तुझसे वादा, मैं तो बस तेरा, मैं तेरा हुआ।
मैं लब हूँ, मैं लब हूँ, मेरी बात हो तुम, विधि मैं खुश हूँ, अब मेरे साथ हो।
लाखों तारे हैं आसमान में पर चांद जैसा कोई नहीं, लाखों चेहरे हैं दुनिया में बट कनक जैसा कोई नहीं।
हर अखबार में नई खबर मिले, हर अखबार में नई खबर मिले, वैभव के साथ जिंदगी खुशहाल चले।
हर अखबार में नव भारत में।
I slid into his DMs. I had done it 3 times, in fact.
It was pretty clear from when we started talking to each other, because we did speak about that, like about.
I mean, when I said hi to him, I was just like, hey, I got your bio data. So I set the ground clear on why we are talking.
When I saw Raghav's proposal, immediately I was so impressed with his biodata कि ये तो बहुत अच्छा लड़का है. The family is also known to us.
So we are very happy to get them as our samdis.
जूतों के बांध तस्में पीछे सारी रस्में
So that's what we say is made in heaven. What do you say?
कहीं जो कोई जग भर ढूंढूं उसे चोरी से डोरी से अब बांधे नहीं कोई मुझे खोया है कहीं जो कोई जग भर ढूंढूं उसे चोरी से डोरी से अब बांधे नहीं कोई मुझे तो गिरने दे संभलने दे उठ के फिर चलने दे।
रहना नहीं मुझे मेरे ही बस में, होने दे मुझको मुझ में मलंग, मुझ में मलंग।
के जिया मोरे रंग रंग में मलंग, रंग में मलंग, रंग में मलंग। के जिया मोरे रंग में मलंग, रंग में मलंग, रंग में मलंग।
He's smart, he's good looking, he's awesome. And the first time I met him, I was like, okay, you know, this is great. But I was like, okay, itne jaldi nahi. And then we met the second time, and I think after the second time, I knew he was the one, for sure.
Yeah. So that relationship built over that period. It's a short time, it's not a very long period of time, but definitely it was going great, and when we met for the second time, I think we both kind of knew that this was going somewhere.
She said, I would like to talk first. Maybe they chatted on the WhatsApp and all, had some calls. And then she said, yes, we can go ahead.
As they knew each other, because they have some common friends, common relatives. But when we saw like the proposal come and I told her, that time she was very happy. Her face, she couldn't hide. It was happy face.
Jiju was one of the first few people she met through the whole process. So I always knew that Divya Didi would come back to this, and I had called it. You can ask anyone in the family. I'd always called Jiju. Like I knew this was gonna happen.
मायरा एक जो रस्म है वो इतनी अच्छी है, इतनी पवित्र है कि जब जब बहन के घर में कोई कार्य होता है और पीहर से जब मामा जी आते हैं, नाना जी आते हैं, नानी जी आती हैं, भतीजे आते हैं, बहुएं आती हैं, तो उस खुशी का कोई पार नहीं होता।
ऐसे रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया, ऐसे रंग दे तू मुझको तेरे रंग में ओ पिया। और कोई रंग मुझ पे कभी लागे नहीं, और कोई रंग डाले भी तो लागे नहीं। रंग रेजा रंग रेजा रंग दे मोहे रंग रेजा, रंग दे तू रंग रेजा साहिब जी पिया।
आप सभी से एक बात पूछूंगी, क्या इन दोनों की जोड़ी को देखकर लगता है इनको दो बहुएं आई है?
मुझको दीवानी कर दे तेरे इश्क में पिया, ऐसे दीवानी कर दे तेरे इश्क में पिया। और किसी से भी दिल ये इश्क चाहे नहीं, और किसी से भी इश्क दिल
मुझे प्राची के लिए मेरे पीहर के परिवार में बहुत प्यारी है ये जोड़ी। उमंग है आयरन मैन तो प्राची है जेंटल। इन दोनों की जोड़ी ने हम सबको दी है बहुत सारी खुशियाँ। आज बुआ करती है तिलक और करती है आरतियाँ। उज्ज्वल और रक्षिता के लिए नई नई हुई है इनकी शादी, इसीलिए है दोनों ऑन क्लाउड 9।
भर ले बाहों में अपनी ऐसे मुझको तू पिया, भर ले बाहों में।
सिंपल बट स्वीट कपल। गोपाल है काम और कम बात करना पसंद करते हैं, पर भाभी का तो प्रोफेशन ही बोलने का है, मतलब एंकरिंग जो करते हैं। दोनों में बहुत है प्यार, पति पत्नी से भी ज्यादा लगते हैं ये यार। भाभी चलाती है स्कूल। भैया है बेहतरीन सिंगर, तो भाभी है प्रसिद्ध मोनोलॉग आर्टिस्ट। दोनों आए दिव्या की शादी में, यह मेरे लिए बहुत बहुत खुशी की है बात। धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद। डाइट और वेलनेस में इन दोनों को है बहुत इंटरेस्ट और बच्चों को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाने में इनके बहुत है एफर्ट्स।
I actually met her like only after everything got fixed. She seemed a super bubbly girl, like a live wire. I think when he initially started talking to her, he just had a very different smile.
Smile said it all.
I think that said it all.
Like I'd never seen Raghav this way. Like it's just like a different side of Raghav that we never had seen earlier.
I never expected Raghav to say a yes to a solo dance. I never expected. But the fact that he pulled it off so well was amazing.
Let's help someone, give them a hand. Show them kindness they can understand. Share that joy to make their day. This time of year, our hearts should lead the way. Let's spread love, not just 'cause it's a holiday, but because we need it every day. Let's spread love, not just 'cause it's a holiday. Let's spread love, 'cause it's the only way. It's the only way. Let's spread love.
Everybody make some noise for the couple! I'm going to ask them a question. You're going to help me with the answers, alright? Who do you think is a phone addict? Put it up. Is it Raghav? Is it Divya? All the bridesmaids are saying Divya. Is that true? Are you a phone addict? For all you know, she's probably texting you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time to officially begin the Sangeet night for this beautiful couple.
Let's celebrate and all bring some cheer. Let's spread love, not just 'cause it's a.
For me, caring is love. If you care for a person, you think about the person way ahead before they think about themselves. I think that is love.
Get it out right now.
Take my hand, we're going there.
मकान में तू मेहमान रहा, आँखों की जुबान करे है बयान कहाँ अनकहा। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता। क्यों है ये, कैसे है ये तू बता। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता।
You know, I was doing just fine, living my life, doing skincare, doing Skin West, and then bam, you walked in with your handsome face, and all the love songs started making sense. This one in particular.
When I held you again, how could we ever just be friends? I would rather die than let you go. Juliet to your Romeo, how I heard you say I would never fall in love again until I found her. I said I would never fall unless it's you I fall into. I was lost within the darkness, but then I found her, I found you.
Raghav, you know I overthink a bit, a lot. But the only thing I didn't have to think twice about was you. So this song is practically my love letter to you.
मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिना लगता जी। मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिना लगता जी। तू की जाने प्यार मेरा, मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा। तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी, जान मेरी, जान मेरी। मेरे दिल ने चुन लिया ने तेरे दिल दिया रहा। तू जो मेरे नाल तू रहता, तुर पे मेरी आसा। जीना मेरा है गुण है तेरा कि मैं करा तू कर एतबार मेरा। मैं करूँ इंतजार तेरा। तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी, जान मेरी, जान मेरी।
They say love makes you do crazy things, and I never really rush into things, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't
the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you. For I can't help falling in love with you. Thank you so much.
Come on, guys. I think. Yeah, go ahead.
Just gonna say one short thing. So that's all my family and my best friend right there on the violin. Ansh on the piano, Anup Bhaiya on the guitar, Harsh Bhaiya on the guitar, and Anand Bhaiya also on the bass guitar.
I think it was truly spectacular. Raghav, what do you think?
Now it's way past the expectations. It's
Finally, Divya said, how can it be with just expectation? It has to pass through. Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the stage as we welcome Sachin Jigar.
Usually, you know, the fetish is to see Raghav go down on his knees one last time. क्या कहते हो? कितना आनंद हो रहा है देखो इन लोग सबको आपको झुकाने में. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं हमारा हक है ना? तो we'll do this in Sachin Jigar style. What do you guys say? All right then. He's okay about it now. Okay, this one goes out for you too. जो देखे एक बार को पलट के बार बार वो खुदा जाने क्यों तुझे देखने लगता है. वो सच बोलूं ईमान से खबर है आसमान से हैरत में चांद भी तुझको तकता. राघव नाम कोई इतना खूबसूरत, कोई इतना खूबसूरत, कोई इतना खूबसूरत कैसे हो सकता है. कोई इतना खूबसूरत, कोई इतना खूबसूरत, कोई इतना खूबसूरत कैसे हो सकता है.
Something to say. We getting close, getting dangerous, and no one can get in our way. Pull up and put on the case. Us and know what type of way. We stay ahead of the race. Look up to the sky when we aim. So diggity da 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 da. Diggity da 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 da. Live hard by some diggity da 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 da. Diggity da 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 da. Diggity da da da. A star making moves next to me. Real sister love, you ain't seen enough for respect, and that's the key. Get out the way, get out the way, get out of our way. Hey, we're here to play, pop champagne, and keep looking up to the sky when we aim. Go diggity da 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 da. Diggity da 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 da. Live hard by some diggity da 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 da. Diggity da 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 da.
opposites of each other and they complement each other in such a good way. And he's also an established business person and she's well. So there are some similarities but they also complement each other. So that's like a match made in heaven.
की विधा यहाँ पर हुई उसका बहुत विशेष महत्व रहता है क्योंकि वरराजा को लेकर आप सब लोग बड़ी दूर से अन्यान्य वाहनों का प्रयोग करते हुए कभी पैदल चले, कभी गाड़ी में बैठे, कभी बैलगाड़ी में बैठे, कभी विमान में बैठे और सब लोग यहाँ पहुँचते पहुँचते आपके पैरों में कुछ धूल लग गई। तो वरराजा के पैरों में जो धूल लग जाती है तो बड़े कोमल वरराजा है तो उनके पैरों की धूल निकालना और उसी के साथ साथ उस धूल में कुछ निगेटिव तत्व भी सब जुड़ जाते हैं, उन्हीं को निकाल देना ताकि विवाह के लिए वो सिद्ध हो जाए। तो आप सब लोगों का ये विशेष हम लोगों पर उपकार रहा कि उसको लेकर वरराजा को लेकर आप इतनी दूर का प्रवास करते हुए यहाँ पे पहुँचे। तो सारे वेद विधानों के साथ में, मंत्रों के साथ में जो भी कुछ गलती से बुराई लग गई हो पैरों में रास्ते में चलते चलते उसको सबका परिहारण यहाँ पर किया गया, मंत्र बोले गए और अब सिद्ध हो गया वरराजा बारात में आने के लिए। तो जल्दी बारात में लेके आइएगा, हम आपका बहुत बहुत इंतजार कर रहे हैं।
Esa chica que me tiene arrebatado, que me tiene medio loco.
That's like it! Alright guys, we can do better. Let's make some noise once again. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1! We'll do this once again. If you love the couple, put both your hands up. मंदिर में घंटी कैसे बजाते हैं? Can we do this together? DJ, music, let's do this. Come on, everybody, put your hands up for me. Hey, 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 hey. Not going down. Come on. Up, up. बैठे बैठे हाथ ऊपर होने चाहिए. Everybody, everybody, everybody. 1, 2, 3. क्या बात है? क्या बात है? Let's do this. Hey, 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 hey. हाथ ऊपर, हाथ ऊपर. Come on, everybody. क्या कहते हैं सारे? 1, 2, 4. Hey, 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 hey. Everybody, on the left.
Sus ojitos, o tal vez su caminado, o quizás esas cositas que en su casa ella me ha dado. Que tú me tienes temblando de noche y de día. Me quieres mandar para la tumba fría. Bruja, bruja, brujita. Una cosa fría. Una actriz se sube por allá así. Y vuelve.
Probably seen him, heard him, but he is true magic. Ladies and gentlemen, I am talking about none other than MC Sid.
Alright, everybody, let's see your hands up in the air, party people. Let's see your hands up, everybody. Can we see your hands up in the air? Here we go to reintroduce the hip hop. Are you ready? Yo, check me out with a beat to beat. I'm a standing over here, check them out to see. I got these sweet people here in the thing to say. They're looking so cool, check them out, okay. They got the swag over here, check them out, alright. with the looks over here in the pink and white. This dude with the black pants looking to see one wearing them gray over here, baby. Put your hands up now and wave them, please. Left to the right like you just don't see. They're looking so cool over here, alright. They got the swag over here in the middle tonight. Yo, I got these 3 people here in the pink white to say, looking so cool over here, okay. Check them out here right in front of me. Metrosexuality की तो हद कर दीजिए. Yo, check me out over here, alright. Put your hands up now and wave them right. Everyone here at the party to say, got this lovely lady here in the white, okay. She's standing here with the earrings to say, looking so pretty over here, okay. इनको देखो मेरे सामने जी, in the white dress, looking super pretty, looking really hot. Check her out to say, looks hotter than Madhuri Dixit today. Came alright, put your hands up now and wave them right. Row number 1 with these ladies to say, sitting over here, gossiping, okay. Got it going on, check them out, baby. In one line here, looking cool to see. In सबको देखो in the front seat to see all these 5-6 ladies right in front of me gossiping non-stop from the beginning of the party. इनकी तो शुरू से ही शुरू हो गई है kitty party. I got the people over here to say I'm going on and on with the youngsters. Yeah, yo, I got the ladies at the back to see. Got the boys over here right in front of me. Got this lovely lady in the sari to say she's looking so pretty with the emerald. Okay, yo, check her out over here. Okay, she's smiling over here. Check her out to say, DJ. So this lovely lady in the sari to see, can we give her a big round of applause, baby? Looking super pretty over here to say she looks prettier than Sharmila Tagore, okay? So this hottie over here with all the fancy dress to see, check her out here right in front of me. She's got those earrings that are gorgeous to say. She's looking so pretty right in front of me, okay. Check her out, looking cool as can see. ये हमारी पार्टी की Paris Hilton, baby. Hey, put your hands up now. Wave it to the left, to the right, and the crowd. Going on and on as I turn, okay. I'm making some noise over here to say. So, DJ, so before I end my rhyme, one final time to say, can we make some noise for the gorgeous couple, okay? Check them out here, sitting right in front of me, looking so cool. Check them out quite to see. They've got it going on over here to say. They remind me of Seth and Karina today. Alright guys, that was MC Sid. We'll be back with more. Thank you.
The first time I became friends with Divya, it was at a party in Boston, and within minutes we were deep in conversation in Marwari. The rest of the world didn't exist that night. And honestly, that's kind of been the theme with her ever since. When you're with Divya, you're with her fully, deeply, and in the most hilarious and ridiculous and heartfelt way possible. Back in college, I would visit her place. Divya has been the person I can tell anything to. Because yes, she'll definitely judge you. But in the best way possible. And then she'll give her an honest opinion, which I value more than she knows. We've been through new jobs, heartbreaks, wins, mistakes, great loves, and one very persistent shopping habit. Raghav, she says she's not high maintenance, but I'll let you experience that firsthand. But jokes aside, Divya, you've really been my rock, my reality check, my wild ride for 7 years. And now Raghav gets all of you. He's so lucky to have this absolute fataka in his life. I love you so much.
All right, let's hear it up for this beautiful bridesmaid.
Hello everyone. I was nominated by Raghav Bhaiya to give a speech. And when I asked him, what am I supposed to say? He said, कुछ नहीं, यहाँ वहाँ की बातें, कुछ नहीं तो weather का बात कर लेना. So today is 33 degrees, AQI is going very bad in Bombay. Jokes apart, for those of you who don't know, I'm Raghav Bhaiya's cousin sister. The same one who's been excited for his wedding since Vaibhav Bhaiya's wedding. And when I came to know that it's fixed with Divya Bhabhi, my excitement was over the roof. Who would have guessed that we would go from B for Boston in Bijou to B for Bhabhi in Nagpur? His sense of humor is one of a kind. Whether it's a silly joke or his infectious laughter, he knows how to lighten up any situation. As kids, we used to call ourselves the Fantastic Four, which consisted of Vaibhav Bhaiya as a leader, with Raghav Bhaiya, Vidhi and me pulling pranks, creating tons of memories, or what others would call as tons of ruckus. And I couldn't be happier that we are now a group of 7. Lucky 7. And DB, I absolutely cannot wait to create new memories with you and annoy Raghav Bhaiya even more. To end, the weather actually has special prediction of lots of love and laughter in the air. There's a 99 to 100% chance that Raghav Bhaiya's friends are going to delay the Bharat, and a thunderstorm warning of memories that will last forever. Congratulations to you both and this new chapter of your life. Raghav Bhaiya, this is your moment.
From the time we were kids, Divya's always had that extra sparkle. Whether it was table tennis, guys, like, you guys don't know, but she is amazing at table tennis. For those of you who think you're good at table tennis, please play her. I used to also think, wow, itni choti si to hai, main hara dunga, ye wo. I was beaten in every single match and by a lot. So if ever, Raghav, you want to be humbled, which you will be, you have to play table tennis with her. She's always the one who keeps us together, not just in the cousins group, but our friend group too. She is a glue of our friend group, and she is the one who brings everyone together. She's the one who makes everyone laugh. She's the chota packet bada dhamaka. She's got something called the Chihuahua syndrome. I'll tell you what it is. So the Chihuahua syndrome is when, you know how smaller dogs, you know, they bark a lot and bigger dogs are slightly more silent. Like, by barking, I don't mean that. I just mean she can be a lot, and she can be, you know, doing a little bossgiri or a little chid, but like, you'll get used to it. So you're going to be taking away our little Chihuahua also. But I'm so happy. I can go on and on, but there are so many things, you know, left to say, and nothing will ever be enough. I love you guys so much, and you're going to always have, you know, a home, a best friend, everything you want, always in me. Love you guys so much.
All right, that was truly heart filled with emotions and a lot of love.
बारिशों में लिपट के माँ आती थी वो चल के मायरी दिया ऐसी जाए तो रोती हल्के हलते मायरी फिर से मरो फिर वो गाए ठंडी हवाएं बन के छाए मायरी आप ही हंस दी मायरी आप ही रो दी मायरी याद वो आए री
दिल दी इक्को गल है
हर पल तेरा नाम हिले तेनू एवें चांदा है दुनिया दे कोई चाहे ना तू है मेरा सच्चा सा इश्का तुझसे ही हुआ हर लम्हा सुकून का मेरा मेरे ये कब से है तुझ पे आकर ठहरे हैं तू रहे हमेशा मेरे बैठा यूं सामने तकदीर आवा मैं सारी दिन सारी रात
Goddess, queen vibes.
Yeah, queen vibes. कोई काला टीका लगा दो यार गाइस.
बहुत सारे लगाने पड़ेंगे.
मैं तन्हारा मैं मनहारा मैं जो हारा मैं जगहारा होश बिहारा जोश बिहारा मैं सब हारा होश बिहारा जोश बिहारा मैं सब हारा मैं अब हारा सारे खाके दूध बदा सारे आयो गोगी बा सारे देखो देखो तमाशा रे ओ रंगीले रंगीले पल है चमकीले चमकीले पल है बरसे झिलमिल करते लाखों तारे अलबेले अलबेले तन है लचकीले लचकीले तन है कोई अपना दिल कैसे ना हारे ओ मैं तन मैं मन मैं जान मैं जगह होश भी जोश भी मैं सब मैं अब क्या तान सुन ले करके तू कमाल सुन ले बाबो रे बाबो रे बाबो रे कोई आगे उगलता रे कोई तार पे चलता रे कोई गेंद उछाले रे कोई मौज संभाले रे ओ देखो रे भैया कोई घूमे बन के भैया कोई ऊपर से लांगा मारे रे देख देख बाजी कर देखो पैरों पर नीचे सर देखो देखे मैंने जो ये खेले हारे अरे मैं तने मैं मन मैं जान मैं जगह होश भी मैं अब मैं सब बाबो रे बाबो रे बाबो रे बाबो रे बाबो रे बाबो रे ओ क्या धुन है क्या ताल सुन ले करके तू कमाल सुन ले बाबो रे बाबो रे बाबो रे
जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय राजा राम, राम राम जय सीता राम, राम राम जय
बनाए हम तुम अपनी डगर, बनाए तू मुझको बेहतर, खुश नसीबी मेरी कितनी है कि तुम मेरे हम सफर, ख्याल तू रखे है कितना मेरी छोटी छोटी बातों का, नई ऊंचाइयों को पार कर है उड़ना तेरे साथ, राघव तू है जिंदगी मेरी, तुझसे जुड़ी मेरी हर खुशी, तू जो है तो सब है मेरा, तेरी मुस्कान दुआ मेरी, तेरे साथ है सब आसा, तेरी बाहों में है जहां, है तुझसे प्यार मुझे इतना, ये कैसे मैं करूं बयां। शुभ मंगल सावधान,
I'm a little bit like spiritual, you know, like that, and I always prayed for a guy like, I mean, a husband like Lord Shiva, and I see a lot of him in Raghav. I feel grateful to have found him, and yeah, he makes me the happiest girl. So.
The bond which was created because she was grown up, I think these 3 years we grew lot more closer, and so I can't tell when she was in hostel, that time I was not crying, but I may cry when after her marriage.
Yeah, currently everything is full with people, events, but maybe on 1st April onwards, the home will be like empty nest.
उस दुआ से गुफ्तगू हो गए मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला मेरे मौला तेरा शुक्रिया
ऐसे नहीं होता भाई, तो हमारी ऐसे तो मनी दे तो वो थोड़ी 5 तो मिनिमम है, 500 रुपीस, 5 लाख रुपीस,
500 से शुरू करेंगे
500 lakhs चलेगा।
शिवानी, newspaper and syringe both sell for 5 rupees.
अभी next 5 lakh again, 5 lakhs again.
We will give you unlimited skinless products.
That I already get. You are not getting anything. Newspaper, syringes and skinless subscription for life.
We will give guides up for life.
अरे क्या कितने में मारा? हेलो, congrats.
To my parents, I'm here because of them, and they've supported everything that I've said, even Raghav for that matter. And yeah, their upbringing and everything, I'm so grateful. I'm forever grateful, and I'm going to miss them a lot. The rest of my family, my sisters, my cousins, it's a bit emotional because I'll be going away, but like I want to just let them know I'll keep coming back to annoy them and that I'll obviously miss them a lot, and I'm just a call away always. And yeah, for my best of friends, thanks for always having my back, counting on me, and being there for me even literally till today and even tomorrow. No matter how far we stay, they're always there cheering me up.
Definitely, like my parents, for all the freedom and everything they've given to make our own choices. We've been incorrect sometimes, not made the best decisions sometimes, but ultimately we learn from our own decisions. So they've given the space to kind of do that. And my bhaiya bhabhi, who have been there throughout and always got my back and supported in every way that they can.
बस इतना ही बोलूँगी कि बस हैप्पी रहो हमेशा और एक दूसरे का साथ हमेशा देते रहो।
मैं ऐसे कहूँगा कि हम दोनों ने निमिष जी, अनुपमा जी, उनको जो एक दूसरे के साथ बातें करते हुए देखा है, उनका जो बिहेवियर देखा है, या वैभव जी और श्रुति, उनका भी जो एक दूसरे के साथ बॉन्डिंग देखा है, तो मैं इतना ही कहूँगा कि जैसे तुझे दिख रहा है तेरे आगे पीछे, वैसा ही तू रहे, उनको फॉलो कर, देन एवरीथिंग विल बी नाइस।
भैया मुन्ना, मेरे चांसेस दिला कि ये वैसे जीत रहे थे तो 99%। देख रहा हूँ जल्दी देखो, ये देखो, वेरी गुड, मिलने वाली है।
एक बार हारना ही है।
सोने का तो एक ही है भाई, अपने को आया तो आया, नहीं तो नहीं आया। 3 चांस है बेटा तेरे पास। एक थाली दो ना, कुछ खा। निकला क्या सोने का? पहली बार में आ गया तो बस हो गया। शादी के ही निकले मेरे को तो लगता है।
Negotiate with her, not with him, यार. Negotiate with her, यार.
शुरू करो ना तुम लोग बोलना, हम सोचेंगे देना कि नहीं।
राघव भैया.
वो डन कर देगा, देना मेरे को अभी नहीं, ऐसे नहीं बराबर।
कल शिवानी दीदी ने पलटा, बड़ी मम्मी पलट रही है यहाँ पे, कैसे करेंगे?
वो तो हाँ कर देगा, उसका तो अंदर आ जाएगा, वो ऐसा नहीं है।
ऐसा नहीं करना होता है, क्रेडिट कार्ड रखो।
नहीं तुमका लिक्विड अब भी दो भाई।
Raghav is sponsoring holidays for life. Yeah, so what for this?
देखो एक ही हाँ करी तो फॉर लाइफ हो गया, अब इसके आगे और एक दिन बोला तुम हाँ मत करते जाओ ऐसे।
अभी उनकी नेगोशिएटिंग स्किल्स थोड़ी कम है।
अच्छा क्या?
Congrats guys.
और कौन है यहाँ पे? कहाँ है परी? वो कहाँ है रद्दीमा?